Welcome back, everyone. In this episode, we're going to be working on some modifications to the neck of the NX 2000 Excelsior. Alright, now I got extra plastic parts there, so what I plan on doing is extending the neck all the way out till it reaches about here, so kind of a curve to it, and it slants down. So I'll show you how it's going to look once I get it started. So I'm going to make the neck about 9 centimeters. American, it's about, let's see here, about 3.5 inches. And the neck angle is 53 degrees. So I'll be making the neck angle 53 degrees so it fits in with that. And it'll have a slow curve going to the port here. You can see the grooves in it there compared to the smooth one, which goes with the grooves on there. Well, so far so good, looking okay. Not too bad. I gotta work on the top. Okay, so that's all glued into place just right. Now for the top here, I made this. It's got a center spine on it. Just goes on there like that. Just gotta glue it down into place, and then paint it that color. So just gotta, glue it down, and I put the putty on it to cover up all the cracks and stuff, and then this puppy's gonna look not too shabby. Okay, so what I got here so far, got it all painted here. I got one more coat to put on that yet. And up here, I just painted a small portion of it. I put the lid on. After you see the point there, I don't have to paint it, it's already done. Now once I get the second coat of paint on, then I'll put the top on. I'm going to do a little more detailing on the top there, but that'll be after I get it on there. Yeah, it's coming along. Alright, now we got all the painting done on that. Let's put the cap on. Alright, I'm just gonna do a test fit here. It's good. And I can fill in the rest with the putty. That's no big deal. Got it. This too. Okay, so it's all but done. Looks a little messy there, but once the engine's on there, it'll look a lot better. So it's coming along real well. Alright, thanks for watching this episode, everyone. And next time, we're actually going to be starting on the lighting of the warp engines. So please like, subscribe, and comment. Come back again.